more leaked photos of the DJI Mavic 3, as well as some more information leading up to the release, which is coming very, very soon. So definitely make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that I've been using to help grow this YouTube channel. I definitely recommend it for any new YouTuber. You can try it for free with my link in the description below. But let's jump into the video. So the DJI Mavic 3 has even more leaked photos now, and we're getting a more solid idea of what these drones are going to be called. As previously reported, there's going to be 3 different versions of the DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 Normal, the DJI Mavic 3 Combo, and the DJI Mavic 3 Cine Premium. The normal version comes in at $2,049 US, while the combo version comes in at $2,800, and the Cinema Premium version comes in at $4,649 US. We're actually getting a first-hand look at what the drone looks like, as you guys can see on the screen. It is exactly as we told you guys, dual camera, rear loading battery, and a new design. We can see that the controller for both the normal and Fly More combo is going to be the same exact controller that ships with the DJI Air 2S. Of course, if you opt for the Cinema Premium version, you are going to get DJI's brand new smart controller with the built-in screen. The Cinema Premium version is also marked with a Cine logo on the drone itself, as you can see from the pictures. So there will be a little bit of a differentiation between that version and the other versions. We also see the new redesigned batteries along with the multiple battery charger. Very cool, so you can charge multiple batteries at once. And we even get a look at some of the other accessories along with the new carrying case, which has changed from the carrying case that came with the Fly More kit with the Mavic 2 Pro. All in all, this looks like a very solid update with brand new accessories, brand new camera system, newly designed drone, rear loading battery, and the battery is rumored to have a 46-minute flight time, which is an absolute game changer. We're still expecting to see the drone come around the beginning of November. I believe the date was November 3rd, but I could be wrong. Around the beginning, first week, possibly second week of November, the drone will be announced and released to the public, with most likely a limited supply, as we are still dealing with a chip shortage around the entire world. So there will probably be some delays in getting your drone if you don't order right away. I know I'll be waiting and placing my order right away, no time wasted. And I will be making videos about the drone here on the channel. Now, before I wrap up this video, I just want to share some of my personal thoughts for anybody that's interested. One thing that I'm not too crazy about is the fact that the controller that comes with the Mavic 3 Normal and the Mavic 3 Fly More kit is the same exact controller that comes with the Air 2S. I was disappointed to see that DJI did not include a built-in screen, something that I've really enjoyed having on my Mavic 2 Pro, and that is unfortunate. Now, the built-in screen isn't the screen that shows you what you're seeing in real time. It's just the data screen that shows you your altitude and how far you are from the controller. It just provides data for you, so if your phone becomes disconnected, you still can see that on the controller itself. So I was kind of disappointed to see that, but I'm very excited about the rear loading battery that has a possible 46-minute flight time. I am excited about the dual lens system, as I think that that is going to be a game changer. And I've seen mixed reviews about the design that DJI went with for the Mavic 3, but personally, I think it looks amazing. I am very excited to get my hands on it, and like I said in other videos, this could be the last leak, so if it is, thank you guys for watching the channel, but definitely make sure to stay tuned, because I will have a lot more coverage on the DJI Mavic 3, especially as soon as I get it in my hands. I'm gonna make all types of videos about it, so definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're alerted when I create new videos. And also please make sure to hit the thumbs up button, because that will help the video rank higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.